Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Unboxing with y'all really quick. This was sent to me, so y'all already know. I'm not gonna go into detail, but if you know the bag that I ended up picking out, see what bag Miss Tamika picked, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. And to me, I was able to pick out the bag that I wanted to review, upload a video. Just know the quality is top tier, because let me tell you, just because something is sent to me for free, you know Miss Tamika will not post any videos unless it's Miss Tamika approved. I will say this hair bag is Miss Tamika approved. Hanging out with my Sephora friend, and she was like, friend, I want that bag. She was like, do that video, hurry up and do your video and give me that bag. I was just like, girl, I'm gonna give you the link and you can go ahead and buy yourself a bag. So I say that to say, y'all, this is the bag that I ended up picking up. Like, when I tell you this bag is so cute, like, my gosh, like, camera, I need you to adjust so y'all can see this hair bag. Like, oh my gosh, you all, it's like a 25 or a 20. First of all, let me just say, the leather is leathering. Like, it smells like leather. Look at the lock, you all. Like, this is the lock. Like, when I tell you presentation 10 out of 10, it was wrapped to the T. Like, everything was wrapped. All the gold was wrapped. The lock was wrapped. The strap was wrapped. Everything was wrapped, y'all. It is 10 out of 10. Like, oh my gosh, y'all. Like, what? Here's the strap. It is like a summer type of bag, but y'all know Miss Tamika don't play by the rules. Miss Tamika gonna wear what she want to wear. The gold hardware. You have the Louis Vuitton. Oh, and here I be paying all this money for these bags, and this bag look like this. Like, this bag is so gorgeous. Like, look how cute this bag is. And when I tell you it has weight to it, it's so gorgeous. She said it feels like good quality. It don't feel cheap or anything. I said, I know, right? Here that's not willing to pay Louis Vuitton prices, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not willing to pay this type of price. I know on the website this hair bag is probably close to $4,000. To each his own, but I haven't graduated to that level yet. My level was always 2,000 and under. I haven't graduated to 3,000 to 4,000 for a bag, and I don't think I will. Right, the prices is just too expensive. That I'm good with my collection, and moving forward I probably would just stick to, like I said, SLGs and little small accessories. If companies want to reach out and send me product and let me pick, I don't have no problem with sharing. I ain't mixed the cut. Like, I will share, because it's no way I can gatekeep, because this bag is gorgeous. Like, what? See the bag, and I did wear it today when I went out. Is the Louis Vuitton here on the side. I'm trying to get y'all to see the bag instead of me. Okay, there we go. So here you have Louis Vuitton here. Do you see the hardware? Like, do you see the hardware? Louis Vuitton. It comes with keys. Like I said, it's the blush pink. I did wear this bag today because, like I said, I did go out. It was in this hair bag. Y'all, she is so cute. Okay, this is why I want to go back to a house. I don't know what they doing, but somebody pushing walls. But anyway, inside of the bag, like I said, it's a blush pink, and it has a zipper where it goes from end to end. You can get into your bag a lot easier. And when I tell you, this little thing holds a lot. So really quick, I have my car keys. I have my gum. Chanel card case, y'all. I found a new card case, so I have to save my money, and I will be getting a new card case for Christmas or my birthday. Not sure when, but I will be getting a new card case. Happen to sell out or something like that, because I'm not sure if it's like a limited edition card case. I will show you the one that I'm looking. I did find my new card case, but this is the one that I have right now. I have my favorite hand sanitizer at the moment, which is the peppermint mocha here from Ulta, because we don't sell the peppermint one, our limited edition. So I bought more. I bought some more. I think I have one more somewhere. But yeah, I have my AirPods, tissues, toothpicks, Glossier lotion. I got this from the actual store because we don't sell this lotion at our store. We do sell the brand, but we just don't sell that particular item. You know, but Glossier came out with a new fragrance. One is like a purple bottle, and then one is like a cream bottle. But I just threw this one in my purse. I think I like this one a lot better, but yeah, one of the brand reps gave me this. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna throw it in my purse. So I have that I got when I was at court, because I had jury duty. You know how they want to see if they want to pick you. So I took a pen. I was supposed to take 2 more for my Sephora friends, but I forgot, because the pen has a little stylus at the end where you can like use it on your iPhone. I have another Touchland hand sanitizer. This here one, let me see, I think it's the mocha. Now this is the one that we carry. This is the salted caramel. This is another one I like. Oh gosh, I love my hand sanitizers. I know some people are like, oh, I would never pay $10. I get it. Like I said, to each his own, but you know, I mean, I do get a discount, but if I didn't get a discount, I would still pay $10 because I like cute stuff. Mints that I took from work, y'all, because when I'm hungry, these mints taste like a goddamn meal. Like, then y'all, we went to, what was it, Jenny's ice cream, and you allowed to try the ice cream. So instead of giving you those little plastic spoons, they were using these metal spoons. So I was like, oh, I should take a spoon. My friend started laughing, and the guy was like, oh, we sell these for $2. And he was like, when I said, yeah, because I can use this to stir my coffee. So he was trying to put the number in to charge me for it. He was like, here, I'll give it to you for free. And I was like, oh, thank you. So I ended up tipping him. So I ended up paying for the spoon anyway, but I just gave him a tip instead. But look how cute this spoon is. So they don't use the little plastic throwaway spoons. They use these here spoons to like let you try ice cream. Jenny's came out with 2 limited edition flavors, and y'all, oh god, they were so delicious. My pill holder, I don't even know what pills are in here. I have my House Labs lip oil. This was one of my favorites. I think this is in the shade Praline. It's just like a everyday lip that you can put on and don't have to worry about anything. Just don't bleed, because these here lip glosses bleed, and then they're a stain the inside of my bag. And this is my receipt from us when we went out to eat. Another gloss from, this one is from Maybelline, the mint. And then here in the inside is where I have my keys, and here's the keys, y'all. Yo, this replica shit is on a whole nother level, y'all. Like, yo, this is so crazy. This little date code, but you know, Louis Vuitton. I see why Louis Vuitton started doing the whole chip thing. I think they started the whole chip thing because they probably couldn't tell if the bags were real or fake. Because, like, look at this bag. Here's the inside. It's that pink, and it's the microfiber material and everything. That's why they started to do the chip, because like I said, you couldn't tell from a distance. I mean, if you know Louis Vuitton, of course you would probably know, but if you don't know, you couldn't just walk up on this bag and be like, oh, that bag not real. Grams, because I do notice that on the monograms, like some bags I'm like, yeah, that bag not real. You could just tell by the strap, like the quality is off. I could tell the monogram never falls like that. But these here and a couple other ones, it's a little hard to tell. So I think that's probably why they started the whole chip thing, because the chip, like, they take a device and rub it against the bag, and that's how they can tell if the bag is real. One of my bags, they had to go in with that device and check the inside to make sure it was real or whatever, so because they couldn't tell. Because look at this bag. Like, look at this bag. If y'all have this bag, let me know. You know, what do you think? Like, can you tell? Because like I said, here on this channel, I'm just being straight up honest. I'm not going to get on here and be like, oh, look what I bought. Because no, this was sent to me. I just got to watch what I say, because Louis Vuitton, watch what I say, because YouTube has been taking down videos. So that's why I'm going to just Louis Vuitton and just watch the video, and you will understand why I did that. Because I have to watch how I title the video, because like I said, I keep saying Louis Vuitton. YouTube has been taking down videos, and they took down 2 of my videos so far. They take it down, but I will title the video Louis Vuitton unboxing. The video, you will know the truth of the unboxing, and the beginning of my video, just in case somebody watch it and say, okay, we pulling her video down. So if somebody pulled my video down, then that means they had listened and watched the whole video. So, and I'm going to try and leave a link so y'all can go ahead and grab y'all some stuff. So she is really, really cute. And I wore her today because I didn't bring lunch or anything. So I just had her on today. I had wore her as a crossbody. I should have took some pictures. But oh yeah, let me show you what card case I'm looking to get. Because I took a picture of it. Because anytime I buy luxury items, I always go visit the item just to make sure. But this is my next card case, the black one. Because as you can see, the top one kind of looks like what I already have. So I'm looking to get the bottom one. Next. That's my next big girl purchase. Like I said, I'm not sure when. But when I do get it, I will let you all know. Like, it's this black one, because she cute, y'all. Like, she cute. I like the little CCs. Yep, she cute. In fact, let me give you some mod shots. I got stuff everywhere in my room, so don't mind the mess. But so you can carry her like this. I was carrying her like this tonight. For her as a crossbody like this, but I had this big old vest on, so yeah, I was wearing her like this. So yeah, I'm gonna just put this stuff back, y'all. But y'all, oh, excuse me, when I tell you she is a cutie, anytime I share, you know it's Miss Tamika approved. Like I said before, I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, and I get it, but I don't mind doing these hair videos, because like I said, I just like to see the other side of things. Things done changed, y'all. So here she go, y'all. So if you like this hair video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.